Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background by using CapCut. So guys, at first you need to select the video that you want to edit and then tap on the video clip. Now go to cutout, tap on remove background. So guys, as you can see, the video background has been removed. So now play the video. And guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.